Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and a network connection. Recovery Assistant often appears after a failed update, so keep the Mac plugged in. Once done, record your Apple ID and File Vault password because you may need them to unlock or reinstall. Now restart the Mac and hold Command+R for local recovery or Option+Command+R for internet recovery. Hold the keys immediately during boot. This makes the Mac load recovery utilities. You will see macOS utilities or a spinning globe when successful. Once the recovery environment appears, open Disk Utility and run First Aid on the startup volume. You are checking for file system errors that block boot. If repairs succeed, restart normally. If First Aid cannot fix the disk, choose Reinstall macOS to preserve data. Follow the on-screen prompts and select the correct volume. Alternatively, if you have a Time Machine backup, select Restore from Time Machine. This reverses to a known working state. Make sure you have time. Reinstalls and restores can take an hour or more. Complete the process by signing into your Apple ID and checking Startup Disk in System Preferences to ensure the correct volume boots. Once done, verify data and system settings. Run Software Update to apply fixes. If Recovery Assistant returns or the Mac loops, make a bootable installer on another Mac and try reinstalling from USB. This bypasses corrupted recovery partitions. If that still fails, suspect hardware faults. Contact Apple support or go to an Apple store. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to isolate third-party software problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.